Hey guys, it's Rodney Marquez, and today I'm going to show you a catch and cook video for the California halibut. Where I come from, the California halibut are the desired species to catch. They have to be 22 inches and above in order to keep. These desired species are ambush predators that like to bury themselves in the sand and wait for bait fish to swim right over them. With that in mind, you want to focus your lure or bait towards the bottom. In my experience, the halibut have a targeted strike zone of anything below 10 inches. So with that, I like to fish the Dropshot Rig. How to rig the Dropshot? I like using a size 1/0 Gamakatsu straight worm hook. I like using a 1 ounce weight, torpedo weight. To rig the Dropshot is fairly simple. You're going to tie a polymer knot. If you don't know how to tie a polymer knot, there's a bunch of videos online, but I'm gonna show you a quick version of it. You're gonna take that tag end, you're gonna feed it through the hook from the top, and then you're gonna put it back through the bottom and towards the top of the hook of your main line. And then you're going to take these two tag ends from the bottom of the hook, and from the top you're going to do a nice little loop around. You're gonna take that circle through this nice tag loop through the circle you made, because you just did that little crisscross, and you're gonna take that hook and feed it through the loop, and then you're going to cinch the knot itself. So it's basically a polymer knot, and all you have to do, what's left, is taking that tag end of the line and feeding it through from the top of the hook and towards the bottom. That forces the hook itself to be facing upright towards the main line and away from the bottom. And then of course you take your tag end of your line, and that's when you tie your 1 ounce weight or your weight of choice. And that's pretty much it. Dropshot rig where the hook's facing up towards the main line and not pointing towards the bottom, so you're not going to be caught up on the bottom. And then your 1 ounce torpedo weight, so you can chuck this bad boy as far as you can. Lure. There are plenty of lures out there when using the Dropshot, but my favorite is going to be the Berkeley 4-inch chartreuse mullet bait. The tail action, the scent, and the bright color work well to get these elusive halibut to bite. Gear. I like using a medium heavy 7-foot casting rod with a Abu Garcia Aura inshore bait cast, spooled with 20-pound superpower braid, uni-knotted with Top Shot 15-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon. How to fish for halibut. How I fish this is pretty simple. I just cast as far as I can, covering as much ground and letting that 1 ounce torpedo weight hit the floor, and then basically a slow retrieval rate towards you, keeping that 1 ounce weight on the floor, because that's where the halibuts are gonna be, on sandy bottom. So basically, rod tip down. As soon as you feel a nibble, you set the hook by drastically bringing that rod tip up, and then fight the fish. The retrieval rate depends. You want to go fast, but not fast enough where that 1 ounce torpedo weight is in the middle of the water column. You want that torpedo weight to always hit the floor, because that's where the halibut's gonna be.
5 minutes later.
Got a good one. Ooh, it's pulling drag, guys. Constant tension on that drop shot. Oh, it's a nice halibut, guys. Nice halibut. Holy moly. I have no net, but that's a totally legal size halibut right there. Woo, baby. I need to tire this guy out. Oh. Let's go over here. Of course no net. Oh, I'm gonna try to put that halibut right in that crevice right there. Woo. Nice little halibut here from shore. See if we can land her. Right here. We'll put that halibut right over in that little crevice there. Woo! Alright. Gotta maneuver him right over there. Right there. Come on. Control its head. Right there, right there, right there. Come on. Oh, yes. Let's get them, boys. Dude, I think this is the legal size halibut, guys. For that catch and cook halibut video. Let's go. Look at that. I'm gonna gill this guy because I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch and cook this guy. There we go. Let's go, baby. There we go. I think this guy is totally legal here. Look at this guy. Huge. Huge. This is gonna be a good catch and cook video. Oh man, this guy's gonna be super tasty. On that drop shot, chartreuse, 4-inch Berkeley gulp bait. Look at that. Awesome. Look at that mouth. This guy is an absolute monster. Absolute monster. Look at this guy. From the shore. Let's measure this guy. All right, let's go ahead and measure this halibut. In order for me to catch and cook this halibut, first of all, you have to make sure it's legal. The legal size limit here in California for California halibut is gonna be 22 inches, and that's measuring from the tip of the tail, right there, all the way down its body with the mouth closed. And he's a good 23 inches. So the legal size limit here is 22 inches. So this halibut is a good 1 inch above the legal size limit. So I have the right to actually keep this halibut and cook them. I usually practice catch and release, but time to time I like to keep my halibut and eat it. So I'm gonna go ahead and gut this guy, fillet it, and hopefully we can enjoy some halibut steaks. It's actually a first for me to catch and cook. I hope this halibut is mighty tasty. Awesome. All right, let's go. This little narrow entrance right here, because halibut can't swim backwards. They always have to swim straight. So if you can control its head and maneuver your halibut, if you don't have a net, if you can maneuver your halibut in crevices just like this, you have a better chance on landing that halibut versus if you were to land your halibut from the open water. Luckily for me, I was able to maneuver that halibut in this little crevice and able to scoop him up before he popped off the hook. So awesome little technique when landing your halibut without a net. All right. Whoops.
Oh! That was nice.
Wrong knife,
Gotta use the one with the wooden handle.
This is the belly right here.
What do you mean?
Between the belly's right here.
Oh.
I gotta cut this bloodline out later.
Okay. One side right there.
And this, filleting a fish.
Yeah. Oh, cause
But good job. That pretty much is all meat. Like, it has like the heart and the head, but the rest of the body.
Belly's here.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Very nice.
There we go. 4 fillets, 2 on each side, and here's the halibut here. My first rodeo, cutting one.
The wooden knife was the best knife.
Yeah. We were using all 3 knives, but this one was the better one. But look at that. Still a lot of meat on this halibut, but first time cutting one and filleting it, and now we're gonna go ahead and cook it. So we're cutting the bloodline now. Sweet. That's a cool way of doing that, actually.
unless you want to eat the blood, you can eat the blood if you want.
Nah, I'm good.
She got coffee.
So you make like a V shape, right? And then you like took out the line.
I think so.
What is that? Yeah, no, really. It's like. Yeah.
Need help? I'll help you. It's not in here?
I don't know. You excited, Melissa?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. This is just the appetizer, and then the main course is food. Are you excited? What are you excited for?
Eating
Eating what?
food.
What
Really
kind
good
of food?
food.
What kind of food?
The halibut.
The halibut and?
And the crab cake.
What? Hey, Brina, what is this one?
Braised short rib.
Braised short rib.
Mushroom risotto with truffle oil.
Yum.
I'm missing my.
Seared catch and cook halibut. There you go, guys. What are you doing?
You don't like it?
What are you doing, Lulu? Hi. She can smell she can smell it. This looks so good. Dang. Brina, the risotto is really good. This one?
The halibut.
Really good. Wow.
Rodney came and cooked the halibut. Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's halibut.
That risotto is good, right? Oh my goodness. Let me know. How's the halibut?
Really good.
Really good? Dude, this whole dinner looks so dang. Thanks, Brina. Thanks, Flubonics.
Oh my gosh. Like carrot, celery, onion. Oh my god, I need to take a video of this.
So good.
And then you put
There you go.
red wine. Red wine.
Dang,
Dang, that looks so good.
You made the flour? You're gonna save it for
That's
later?
so good. Yum.
Hey, and the short rib.
That risotto, though, looks really good.
I'll get it on. My mommy get it. I'll get it.
How's it, Melissa? What's the verdict? Last piece of halibut. Gonna give it to my dog Lulu, or the family dog Lulu. Hey. You caught it! I hope you enjoyed that catch and cook video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, click that like button, subscribe, and always, thanks for watching. See ya!